Are you being annoyed by the Wintypes Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we get into the manual guide for Wintypes Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Wintypes Library, the Windows Runtime WinRT types library. It manages the unmanaged marshaling of data types between standard Win32 applications and the modern WinRT framework. It facilitates the orchestration of UWP component manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Wintypes is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Wintypes library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. It is important to avoid manual installation of Wintypes Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The official utility referenced below outlines an approach to managing Wintypes library within a Windows library environment. If this fix repaired Wintypes library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.